Start. Our brain is so powerful that it can easily imagine scenarios and make use of our senses. Stop. The job of such an essay is to appeal to our senses in a way that it creates an image in our minds. Stop. Hence, a descriptive essay plays with at least one of our five senses bracket touch, smell, taste, hearing, sight. Stop. In other words, the description of the person, place, or thing is an essay should be really vivid. Stop. This means it after reading the essay, the reader should be left feeling like they actually know the person, have held the object, or have visited the place. Para. In the light of the above mentioned things, it is comfortable to say that a descriptive essay provides for artistic freedom. Stop. For example, assume you are writing about a house. Stop. Instead of simply stating that the house was beautiful, you should talk about the color of the house, the garden in front of it, therefore all the details that about the house. Stop. In that way, the readers would be able to imagine the house because of a nicely written essay. Para. As it is with most of the written forms of English literature, the basic structure of a descriptive essay also compromises of an introduction, a body, and the conclusion. Para. The introduction of a descriptive essay should be interesting enough to catch a reader's attention. Stop. The introduction should be all about creating a base or a background for the person, place, or thing you are going to describe in your essay. Para. Next, the main body of a descriptive essay should appeal to the reader's senses. Stop. This includes unfolding the information by creating images in the reader's mind. Stop. A trick to achieving this is to explain how the subject about which you are writing in your descriptive essay appeals to your senses. Para. Lastly, the conclusion should summarize the whole essay. Stop. Along with again going over the main details about the essay's subject, you should end the essay in a way that it gives a sense of completion. Stop. Start. Letter from Bharat Stores, Madurai to Messrs. Raghav Sons, North Street, Chennai. Para. Dear sirs, we invite your attention to your inquiry of the 7th April regarding our latest silk products. Stop. We are glad to state that we are one of the leading manufacturers of silk saris and are dealing in these goods for a long time. Stop. We assure you that the quality of saris is very good. Stop. We are happy to inform you that we have a large number of regular customers and there has been no complaint. Stop. We are confident that you will also be satisfied with the quality of our goods. Stop. As the Pongal festival is fast approaching, we request you kindly to place your order so that we may supply the saris in time. Para. We are happy to inform you that we shall give you a special discount of 2% in addition to trade discount of 5%. Stop. Awaiting your favorable responses. Yours faithfully.